The American West is no stranger to wildfires, but in recent years these fires have become more frequent, more intense, and more destructive. Fueled by drought, wind, and rising temperatures, wildfires rage across the landscape, leaving behind a trail of blackened earth and shattered lives. The air is thick with smoke, the sun a hazy orb in the sky. Firefighters, exhausted and valiant, battle the flames, risking their lives to protect homes and communities. The scene is one of both awe and terror, a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of human existence. The numbers are staggering. Millions of acres burned, billions of dollars in economic losses, homes and businesses reduced to rubble, forests, once teeming with life, now silent and scarred. The impact of these wildfires is felt far and wide, from the families who have lost everything to the ecosystems struggling to recover. The very air we breathe is choked with smoke, impacting air quality for thousands of miles. The damage is not just immediate, it is long-lasting and profound. Behind the statistics are real people, their lives upended by the devastation, families forced to flee their homes, leaving behind all they hold dear. The emotional toll is immeasurable, the loss of loved ones, the trauma of displacement, the uncertainty of the future. Many face the daunting task of rebuilding their lives from scratch, their dreams and aspirations turn to ash. Yet even in the face of such adversity, the human spirit endures. Out of the ashes, stories of hope emerge. Communities rally together, offering support, comfort, and a helping hand. Neighbors help neighbors sift through the rubble, salvage what they can, and begin the long process of rebuilding. Donations pour in from across the country, providing much-needed aid and supplies. Slowly, painstakingly, life begins to return. New homes are built, businesses reopen, and the community begins to heal. Section 5. Hope in the Embers, Stories of Resilience. Amidst the devastation, stories of resilience and hope shine through. A young girl who lost everything in the fire uses her artistic talents to raise money for other victims. A retired firefighter, his own home destroyed, dedicates himself to helping others rebuild. A community comes together to plant thousands of trees, restoring life to the scorched landscape. These stories remind us that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit is capable of remarkable strength and compassion. Section 6. The Call to Action, Preventing Future Infernos. The increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires is a wake-up call. We must take action to address the root causes of this crisis: climate change and forest mismanagement. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, invest in renewable energy sources, and implement sustainable forest management practices. The time for action is now, before more lives are lost and more communities are destroyed. Section 7. A Shared Responsibility, Protecting Our Forests. Protecting our forests is everyone's responsibility. We can all do our part by being mindful of fire safety, supporting organizations working to prevent wildfires, and advocating for policies that promote forest health and resilience. By working together, we can create a safer, more resilient future for ourselves and generations to come. Section 8. Investing in our future. A resilient tomorrow. Investing in wildfire. Preparedness, prevention, and recovery is not just an expense. It is an investment in our future. By supporting research, developing innovative technologies, and strengthening our firefighting capabilities, we can better protect our communities and our environment from the threat of wildfires. We must also invest in community resilience, providing resources and support to help communities prepare for, respond to, and recover from wildfires. Section 9. Conclusion: A Brighter Future Together. The wildfire crisis is a complex challenge, but it is not insurmountable. By acknowledging the problem, embracing solutions, and working together, we can create a safer, more resilient future. We must act now with urgency and determination to protect our communities, our environment, and our way of life. The future is in our hands, and together, we can build a brighter tomorrow.